about to start up a 12,400 BTU GE. It's quite hot and humid out. This might be the last day that this one is installed in here, because I want to try out the 8,000 BTU version. I also really want to try the 8,000 BTU Quasar air conditioner in here. I've decided that I'm going to be putting that one in here at some point. And then in the kitchen where the windmill is, I'm probably going to end up either putting the 6500 BTU Sharp back in, or that 5500 BTU Sharp from the 80s. That'd be interesting to try in there. But for now, we'll start this one up. It works great. It is a little bit oversized for this room though. I have found that out after running it for a couple days. Or well, a few days at this point. Let me turn this one on too. So there's the Sharp 5500 BTU that I'm thinking of putting in the kitchen. I think that'll be perfect for that room. And I am still planning on trying one of those Samsung 6300 BTU air conditioners in either the kitchen or the dining room. Well, probably the kitchen, most likely. Just not sure what order I'm going to do this in. I'm going to be installing this 6300 BTU Samsung in the kitchen today, and the 8100 BTU GE in the living room today. Probably not going to stay in for very long because, like I said, I want to try the Quasar air conditioner in the living room, and I want to try that vintage Sharp in the kitchen. So yeah, but I'm going to go ahead and start installing these. And I'm probably going to reinstall the GE Slumber line at the other place. Okay, I'm going to pull this one out of the window now and install the 8100. Got the 8100 BTU GE installed. Let's turn it on. Already starting to get cold. Yeah, I put 2 drain holes in this one. Seems to be working pretty good. It's getting it nice and cool in here. Blowing nice cold air. I'm going to go outside and see if this one is dripping any condensation. And I'll take a look at the Samsung as well. Sure is. Air coming out of there is real hot. It doesn't look like this one is. I don't see any water in the bottom actually. It's got a few drain holes. It's definitely cooling though, and the air coming out of that condenser is very hot. There's a little bit of water right there, as you can see. So this has been running all day, and it's doing a pretty good job keeping up. I don't know if the compressor is cycled off at all though, but yeah, it's taking the humidity down in here and keeping it nice and cool. Probably gonna let it run all night long.